Hi guys, how you going? It's Campbell here. Thank you for joining me. Today's video is on how to write a blog post that is SEO optimized. So how to structure it so that the search engines see it and rank it for the keywords that you're trying to rank for. So as you can see, I've just done up a little short sort of template here, and so this is all based on the keyword how to cook apple pie. So when you're creating your blog post, the keywords do need to be in the title. So the whole keyword needs to be in the title. Now you can add extra stuff if you wanted. Like see there, I've added, from scratch. So it could be how to cook apple pie, from organic produce, how to cook apple pie while camping, whatever you want. And another tip as well is if you are targeting a certain keyword, it's good to write several blogs, 10 or 20 even, that all target the same keywords. So you could literally have all these different how to cook apple pie posts, but one could be from scratch, one could be for camping, one could be whatever else. So that will also help get your entire site ranked in Google. So okay, now we've got the title here, the keywords in the title. Now, after with your blog, just start with a short description, just like a line or a paragraph, just a bit about apple pies. We all love apple pie, blah, blah, blah. Then you need to use your keywords again, and this is in what's called H2, so the heading 2. Okay, so we now have the keywords in the actual heading, in the H2, the heading 2. And you also need to put it in a H3. So as you can see, if we come to the bottom here, I've used it again, how to cook apple pie, and then I've just added like grandma used to make. So that's, as you'll see, is H3. So we now have the keywords in the heading in H2 and in H3. Now this is actually quite important for ranking your posts and your site, because it just tells Google's algorithm what your article is about. It really defines what it's about, so there's no conjecture. So anyone who's looking for how to cook an apple pie can find your site. Okay, and now what you do next is, once you've got your headings in, to structure it, you basically want to structure it. You want to have 3, 4, maybe 5, depending on the length of your post, like headings like this. What will you need? Ingredients, preparation. And then the fourth one down here is how to cook apple pie again. So we've got 4 headings, and then all you're doing, guys, is writing 2 or 3 paragraphs, and the paragraphs only have to be 2 or 3 lines long. They don't have to be big. And the overall size you're going for a blog, a standard blog, you're looking at 500 to 600 words. Then you can go for a more in-depth blog, which is 1,000 words or more. They do tend to get more shares on social media. And then obviously you can do the very in-depth blogs, which sort of go 2,500 words and more, but they're much more for getting exact information out to people. So you want to just to start with, just keep your blog 600 to 1,000 words is all you really need. Put your title, your keywords in your title, your H2 and your H3, and then just structure it out like this. So you'll see, if you do this, it makes it very easy to write. Just a couple of sentences about what you need, about the ingredients, blah blah blah, and then tips, tricks, and that's really all you need to do, guys. It's pretty simple to structure them, and if you do it that way, what you're doing is you're telling the search engines what it's about. So it's all about your keywords and repeating them. And as you can see, I've also put the keywords down here so that they're repeated once. I didn't put in there, but once for basically every title here. So your keywords, you want to have one set of keywords, like the full keywords, every 150 to 200 words in your blog. So 600 word blog, you just need the keywords in there 3 times, plus the heading, the H2 and the H3. And if you do that, you will get ranked and your SEO scores will be very good. So that's it, guys. Short video. Hope that helped. How to get your blog post SEO ranked in Google. All right, have an amazing day. Bye for now. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, comment and subscribe, And if you like my content, please share it around. Have an amazing day.